It's a championship game, elementary division, between San Juan Integrated School versus Pinaglabanan Elementary School. First by San Juan Integrated School. Pinaglabanan. First fight.
Alright, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. This is our first game sa ating elementary division. Who we're gonna be the champion this season. Let's go! First ball makukuha ng San Juan Integrated. Hold up, G, no. Here comes number 20. That's number 25 in the first basket para sa San Juan Integrated School. Oh, bad pass, steal. Flores, too strong. Oh, steal. Ayun na, here comes Agukay. Out of bounds.
Red ball.
Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Jumper, no. Out of bounds.
Save ball. 1 second. Shot clock, 1 second.
Too strong.
Shot clock violation. Pinaglabanan ball.
Pinaglabanan Elementary School basketball. Oh, there's a foul. Number 24.
Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul.
Rebound, Ortiz for 3. No good. Nakakuha rito ni Kalimba and gets a foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Steal from behind ng San Juan. Oh! Here comes San Juan Integrated. Bad pass, pero naka-recover. Number 1 with the steal. Pass to Agukay. Agukay nagmamadali. Agukay and the first
2
basket
points.
para kay
Agukay.
Agukay. Ayan, isa sa mga pinakamamahal ni Bimay. O Robina Mendoza. Ayan. Agukay. Kill. Oy! Steal by Ortiz. Here comes Ortiz. Crossover. Crossover. Ayan na si Ortiz. Steal by number 28. Nasa corner. Sumalaksak, umatake, at pasok yan. By jersey number 24, that's Cabrera. Outlet pass. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 28. Here comes Aki. Marcos. Tinasa gitna. Jump shot. No. Rebound.
White ball.
White ball. Bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Agukay with the ball. Ayan na si Agukay. Derecho. Binigay sa gitna. Bad pass. Steal from behind. Here comes number 24. Derecho. And gasket para kay number 24. Cabrera. Back-to-back basket para kay Cabrera. Another steal for San Juan. Ayan na, Garcia. Derecho. No, rebound. Makakuha ni Ortiz. Here comes Ortiz. Ortiz, crossover. Waiting for his teammate. Ortiz. Tumira sa tres. Bang! The rebound para kay Ortiz.
Ortiz.
Babasa isang lamang ng San Juan Integrated School. Marcos, may tanga ng bola. And that's it. By jersey number 24. Agukay, pinasa kay Galimba. Pass to Ortiz. Ortiz, ayan na, sumalaksak with a layup. No! Era ball.
Substitution. All five. Change five.
Okay, mandatory substitution pa rin tayo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 51 seconds. That's a travel. Number 21. Lapche, no. Wala pa rin. That's a travel. Fake. There's a foul. Oh, correction. That's travel. Another steal for San Juan. Oh,
Same ball.
out of bounds. Same ball. Na. Jump shot. There is a foul.
Foul number 2. Number 2, first personal foul.
No good. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Oh, no good. Another rebound. Floater. Wala. Gets a basket para San Juan.
Basket by number 7.
counter steal. Block para kayo.
Save ball. 19 seconds.
Jersey number 8, Liam.
Players sa ilalim ng court and skate yan. Yung mga nasa ilalim ng court.
Basket para ka dito kay number 7.
Dito kayo sa bleacher. Pwede kayo po.
Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 8. Ayan na. Basket.
Rana! Pinaglabanan!
Time out. Pinaglabanan. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng pinaglabanan elementary school. And good morning po sa lahat. This is the championship game sa ating first game sa ating elementary division. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon? Ang pinaglabanan ba or ang still undefeated ang San Juan Integrated School?
Right ball!
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Wala ng home team. Liam. Ayun na, binigay. Oh, steal. Number 21.
Good ball.
Good ball. Oh, steal. By Liam. Oh. Out of bounds.
Red ball.
Bola ng San Juan. Pinasa gilid. Bola J. No. Rebound. Ira. Basket. Using their height advantage by jersey number 7. Here comes Lim. Astos kay sa corner. Manalo right ng shot. No. Lim with a putback. Ayun na. Naputos na ulit dito ang pinaglabanan. Number 12, no good. Offensive rebound para sa San Juan. 16-7, hey! Guys, bola!
Foul number 21. First personal foul. Third, team foul.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Last 41 seconds sa ating first quarter. Bola ng Pinag. Here comes Santos. That's a foul.
Foul number 12. First personal foul.
Shooting the line,
Fourth
jersey
team
number
foul.
21, Santos. Last 36 seconds. Oh, no good. Second shot para kay Santos. Basket is good. Pabasa walong lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Pinas sa corner using the glass and score para San Juan Integrated School. 18-8. Here comes Santos. Santos pass to Manalo. Too strong. Rebound. Ayan na. Spin move. Steal. Yes, a foul.
Foul number 2. Second personal foul, penalty.
3.9 seconds remaining
Correction. Second team foul.
on the free throw area. Number 21, basket. Second shot para kay number 21. No, rebound. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
End of the first quarter.
End of the first quarter.
98 in favor of your San Juan Integrated School.
Alright, end of the first quarter. Official scores 19-8. Lamang pa rin po rito ang undefeated team, ang San Juan Integrated. Yan muna natin ang huddle ng home team. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Second quarter. Wala rito ng home team. Ortiz with the Hesi. Step back three. No. Rebound ng San Juan. Ayan na, Nolasco. Pass to number 10. Oy, no.
It's a traveling violation.
Traveling violation.
Pinaglaban ng ball.
Wala dito ng Pinag. Santo Dasagukay. Flores. Out of bound. Same ball tayo. Bola
8
rito.
seconds.
Pareho ng home team. Oy! Out of bounds. San Juan Integrated. Basketball. Nolasco 4-3. Short. Naglabanan basketball. Ayan na. Here comes Ortiz. Ortiz, sidestep, layup, no, rebound ng San Juan. Ayan na ang San Juan Integrated, block from behind. Oy! Basket by jersey number 5. Here comes Agukay! Nakabawi rito.
2 points.
Si Agukay. 21-10. Baba ulit sa 11. Nolasco, pinas sa corner. Out of bounds.
Outside.
Steal ng San Juan. Number 9, 4-3, short.
Air ball. San Juan Integrated.
Timeout, San Juan Integrated School with the time remaining 7 minutes and 1 second. Yan natin ang huddle ng San Juan. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Agukay. Pass to Galimba. Galimba. With a post. Basket para kay Galimba.
2 points. Galimba.
Nolasco, no. Rebound. Nolasco. Basket.
2 points by number 9.
Running shot, no. Agukay with a steal. Ayun na, steal by Galimba. Oh, sorry, that's Flores. Flores, oh, bad pass. Steal ulit. Ayun na, Agukay. Offensive foul.
Foul on number 0. First personal foul. First team foul.
Running shot, short. Ayun na, 2 against 1. Ortiz, no. Rebound ng San Juan. Oy, no good. There's a foul, number 3, Nolasco.
Foul number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. Reminders po ulit sa mga audience at players, sa mga bottom voter po. Pakilagay po sa basurahan. Maraming salamat po.
Out of bounds.
Save ball. 15 seconds. 14 seconds.
Ayun na, here comes Galimba. Kick out. Oh, basket.
By number 19.
Mabala lamang sa single digit ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated. 23-14. Nick. Oy, Nolasco with a floater. Basket is good. Balik sa 11 ang lamang. Ayun na. Ng mga nakapula. Here comes Agukay. Agukay for 3. Short. Oh.
Substitution.
Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Nolasco. Floater, no. Rebound by Galimba. Ayun na, looking for his teammate. Maitatawid kaya? Lim. Oh! That's an 8-second shot clock violation.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
4 minutes and 8 seconds na lamang po.
By San Juan Integrated.
Para sa ating first half Nolasco with a cross. Floater para kay Nolasco. Wala. Rebound by Lim. Lim, too strong. Rebound. Still by number 1. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco, binali. Tumira. Wala. Rebound.
Jump ball, Pasensya Nano, red. San Juan.
Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Pass number 1.
Shotgun high.
Crossover, floater, basket by
Number 1.
basket para kay Aki Marcos and the first basket dito sa championship game. Ayan na, pinasa sa loob. Here comes Kalimba at the post, steal by Nolasco. Nolasco nagmamadali. Nolasco matake and one! Basket count and
First
one.
personal foul. Second team foul.
Para kay Nolasco.
All is shot. By Dandan Nolasco.
In and out, rebound ng San Juan, wala pa rin, rebound, offensive rebound pa rin ng mga nakapula. Nolasco, pass to Aki from the corner, in and out, rebound by Kalimba. Ay na, nagagawan. Kanino mapupunta?
Pasensya Nano, white ball.
Jumble tayo, bola naman dito ng Pinag.
Timeout. Pinaglabanan.
Time out, pinaglabanan. Tingnan natin dito ang huddle ng pinaglabanan.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 29-14. Sagot ka? Alright, let's go. Here comes Ortiz. Oopsie, backcourt violation. Nolasco. Floater, basket.
2 points by Dandan Nolasco.
Oh, still. Ay na, nagagawan. Makakuha ng San Juan. Nolasco with the bounce pass. Aki Marcos. Basket is good. 33-14. Ay na, out that pass. Kalimba with the ball. Kalimba umatake and crest the foul.
Foul number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Kalimba shooting for 2. No good. Second shot, basket.
Substitution.
Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. Nolasco for 3, short.
Airball again.
Time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Oy, munti ka na. Ayan na, steal. Nolasco with a fake. Oh! Basket para kay Nolasco. Ayan na, steal. Nasa corner, pass to number 24, top of the key, short. Rebound ng pinaglabanan. Rep.
Jump ball.
Space.
Red ball.
Thank you. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Time remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Yung mga Sicilian nyo po ay yung mga balat na Sicilia, pakitapon po sa basurahan.
3, no. Rebound pa rin ng mga red shirt. Nolasco. Basket. Oh, sorry. That's jersey number 5. Or number 4 rather.
Foul number 24. Second personal foul. 30 foul.
Agukay 4-3. Yes, sir. For Agukay. Nolasco nagmamadali. Here comes Nolasco. Gets the foul.
Who's foul red? Foul number 0. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Tumira sa 3. No. Out of bounds.
White ball.
Last 31 seconds. Steal. Nolasco, no. Offensive rebound. Basket is good. Ay, jersey number 6. There comes Slim. Ortiz, 4-3. No. Rebound. There comes Nolasco. Gets a foul.
Foul number 18. First personal foul. 14 foul.
Last 2 seconds remaining. Offensive rebound by number 6. And that is... Alright, that's the end of our first half. Official score, 40 to 18. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan Integrated School. At magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter.